Hey there, welcome to our free training for digital media VAs. I'm Emily Reagan. I'm going to show you a few tips and tricks and things I do online for clients that will give you a head start in this industry and help you get some tools under your belt so you'll know what to do when you come across clients who need the most random little things. So the first thing we're going to do today is I'm working on a website, and we're going to walk through quite a few of these steps throughout the week, and I'm just going to, release bite-sized chunks of them. The first thing I'm doing is I have a landing page and I wanted to have links to Facebook Lives. Now, a lot of my clients will do Facebook Lives because it's good for Facebook, and then they'll forget to take pictures, and then somehow I'm going to have to promote that live with no photos. So what I do a lot of is screenshots. I take a lot of screenshots of the project. It can be really difficult if the project has a lot of motion, and I want to show you what I'm doing right now. And so bear with me for a second because you're going to hear her talking, but I'm going to try to get it in a spot where I like the image. Now, when I crop this one, it's going to be horizontal. So I'm going to go ahead and do a couple screenshots. I press Shift Command F and I can take a shot of what I want, but I don't want this little play symbol right here, so I'm going to do it while the video is going live. This is why in some of my emails I send out really funny thumbnails of me, because you get sometimes the most awful facial expressions. It's kind of funny. So let's do it. I'm going to just grab a couple and make one work. I'm not going to spend a lot of time on it. It's not like my client is made of money.
Depth of it right now.
So watch. Here we go.
Look at that. See
I'm
how
going to wait
dark
till her
it
brush
gets?
slows.
The first time I did this, I thought I surely must have done something terribly wrong. But
the brush to come back up.
It's that's the way it goes on, and it's actually great because then you can tell where.
So I'm going to go back to that part where she just paused for a second, and I'm going to do a better job of waiting for it and trying to get it instead of talking to you. So I'm going to go in the zone. Hang on a second.
What happens when I put the wax on? Okay, so you see the depth of it right now. Now watch.
Oh, I think I missed it.
See how dark it?
I'm going to get it one more time.
Put the wax on. Okay, so you see the depth of it right now. Now watch. Look at that. See how
a little bit stressful. Let's see what I got. I think this will be good enough. You can see the brush. It's a little blurry. I'm just going to make it work. So over in PicMonkey, I have an image already. Oops, sorry about that. I was kind of playing with some of the thumbnails and it just wasn't working. So in PicMonkey, I have the size I want. It's 600 by 800 for this particular landing page. I'm going to come over here and add an image. PicMonkey has done a recent update that's really nice. All of my screenshots are going to be under the desktop, and I'm going to look for the best one with the hand, and I think I got the brush in this one. And here we go. We're just going to layer it on top and try to get the brush in there. You know what? It works for me. It's just going to be on a landing page. You can tell she's painting. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come here and add on top of that a play button. Now you can't put videos in emails, and I don't necessarily want to embed this video on a landing page. So that's why I want to just do it this way. And I'm going to come over to my downloads, and I have a Facebook play button right here. I kind of was trying to copy the Facebook style, and it's a PNG, so it's transparent. This one has some shadowing, which I like. It doesn't look as flat, and I'm going to just keep it the size that it uploaded as and put it right smack in the middle. And then I'm going to make 3 more of these so they all match up. And they'll all match. There's going to be 4 different Facebook Lives we're linking to. So basically, someone's going to sign up for something. They're going to get this landing page that says, go watch this. And this is one of them. And I'll walk you through how I do a couple other ones right now. But first, let me save it. I want it to be the wax. It's a wax tutorial. So let's download it. And I'll show you the other ones I got. We're going to just, since it's already sized, I'm going to go ahead and do this 4 more times. And I have a couple of the images already. I have, I think this one I want to do. I was able to grab this and then from her Facebook page where she actually had taken a photo of the events, so I don't have to grab a screenshot because those are always blurry. I'm going to come over here and save this as Paint Pour Star. Download. And then let's do another one. I'm not sure if I have a picture for this one or not. I think the one I have has the Facebook Play in it. I grabbed a screenshot. It has the play button. I don't know if it's going to look, yeah, it's not going to quite look right. So let's go over to it. Here it is. So I'm going to grab a screenshot of this one. It'll be a little bit easier.
Hey kiddos, thank you
Wait
so
for it to
much
get in
for
focus.
participating in my poll today.
Voila. I wanted it to make sure I saw her hand in there. So let's go ahead. I'm going to delete that layer. Let's add another layer and see how I do this fast. When I keep it sized the right way and I just add layers on top, it makes it go so much quicker. So here we go. Here's going to be the paint. I think this is like ink. See, it looks very similar to what she had. So I like it. Let's make sure I get as much in it as possible. We're going to name it Ink Coaster. Okay, there we go. So now I'm going to download it. I love how the shadowing looks on that one. So I need one more Facebook Live that she did. So I'm going to come back to her page and I'm going to look at her videos and look for something that's like more of a longer video. Like some of these are kind of short.
I usually do is just wipe off my brush if I want to go back and get a little bit more. For the sake of argument, let's do the top and do a little bit.
I like that. Ooh, okay. I found the area I want. I'm going to back it up just a little. Get ready.
Now I have some colors underneath because I already started with that. That's why I put the sandpaper in there. I'm just using a damp.
Okay, so I just grabbed my fourth one. I used this video. I don't know what it is because she didn't put a description in her Facebook video, so I will have to make her do that. So here we go. And that is all we're going to do today, I think. Yeah, I think that's plenty. Let's go ahead and throw this one up here. I took 2 screenshots. I think between 2 of them, one of them will work. One has a hand, so if it's too blurry, I can do the one that doesn't have the hand. But I kind of like the hand. I want to show action. So yeah, I think this will work. So I'll just make that bigger. Perfect. And I'm going to slide the button on top. And then we're going to call this drawer. And I'll go back and listen to it or ask Sue what it was so I can make it into the email. So that's all we're going to do today. If you want to know some more tasks that you can do as a digital media VA, go get my freebie. The link is in the description. And then tomorrow we'll continue with building a landing page and a thank you page and some more goodies, all with this particular client of mine. So we'll see ya.